Hello and welcome to Just the Job Gold. This is the programme where we look at leisure activities, volunteer activities and paid work opportunities for seniors. And in today's programme we're looking at leisure activities, and in particular we're looking at the men's shed. Now there's a new men's shed planned here on the Hibiscus coast, but earlier, a couple of years ago in fact, we went down to have a look at one in Glenfield.
Hi, I'm Ross McEwen, the Chairman of the Board of Trustees of the Men's Shed North Shore. This is a new shed and I'd like to take you in and tell you a little bit about it. Well, this is the woodworking part of the shed. Normally on a Wednesday, which today is, we'd have 20 odd chaps come in, and their ages range from probably mid-30s to 80 years of old. The workshop's set up so they can make models like small crafts and railway and things like this, and then go on to larger woodworking projects. We also do a lot of community work. We've just finished 300 rat bait stations for one of the native walkways in Auckland. Well, this end of the workshop is for engineering. A little bit cramped at present, but we're working on extensions. And we've got a Colchester lathe there, milling machine. We've got MIG welding, TIG welding, plasma cutters, so it's pretty well set up. And here we've got our electronics workshop, and Trainer is developing a new flight simulator. He's building all the control units here at the shed, and the electronics blokes are helping him with his wiring. The machines in the shed have, in most instances, been donated. Many wives have workshops full of gear after their husbands pass away, and they ring us and we go and source all the equipment. So there you are, this is our new shed in Glenfield, Auckland, and you're welcome to come at any time. We're open Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays, 9 o'clock till 4 o'clock.
For further information on this programme and more, go to our programme website at www.justthejob.co.nz. Here you'll find over 300 inspirational career videos for career seekers and changers, plus more Just the Job Gold inspirational videos for seniors who are keen to find new ways to spend their time, whether it be part-time work, volunteer work or simply leisure activities.